Hi, this is Currie with the Honest Water Filter Company. I'm really pleased to be here with James Mullis, the operations manager for the Ben Franklin in Tampa, Florida. Thanks for joining us.
Hey, no problem.
James, tell me, how long have you been a plumber?
Well, as long as I can remember. I've been with Benjamin Franklin now for the last 10 years, and before that my father and my grandfather were both plumbers. So
Okay.
I've been around the business my entire life.
All right. How long has Ben Franklin been offering water treatment?
They started in 2007.
Okay.
And of course, the whole time I've been here for the last 10 years, I've been offering it as well. So started out as a technician and been the manager for the last 5 years.
Okay. James, in your experience, what are some of the challenges or hurdles that you find the technicians with selling the older systems, the more traditional systems?
Well, it was definitely a lot harder to get all the technicians involved.
Okay.
With that. Normally we would have our core group of guys that would install those systems, but the other technicians, maybe the more junior techs, less experienced techs, wouldn't do that, wouldn't be able to sell it. And the big reason with that would be price would be one thing, because obviously with the more traditional systems they're at a lot higher price.
Okay.
Both by us and from other companies, just because the cost is more.
Right.
The price also has to be higher because of the installation. Normally with those systems, you get that phone call that, hey, we got the customer involved in a complete water treatment system here, and you're going to be there for the next 6 to 8 hours.
Okay.
That was kind of the norm.
Right.
So with
and then
that,
you have to rearrange everything.
and then you got to rearrange your whole board. You
Right.
got to rearrange
Right.
everything for the
Right.
day. So that was a big deal as well. So the size of the unit. Obviously has always been a big deal, figuring out where you're going to put it. Here in Florida we do a lot of outdoor installations, so trying to get it somewhere outside to where it's not unsightly for the HOA or whatever, that's been a challenge. Finding drain, where am I going to drain it to, finding electricity, hey, do I need to call an electrician out here now to put an outlet in, or do I drill through the customer's house and plug it in inside, which is kind of commonplace, but a lot of people don't like that. So definitely a lot of different challenges. People, techs, more junior techs or techs newer to water treatment itself, would get nervous about the head and programming the head and all those kind of things too. So it's just a lot more complicated than the Honest Water Filter, for sure.
Well, so what makes the Honest Water Filter products different, and how have they been embraced by your technicians?
The technicians at first, there was some pushback just because they had been taught one way for so long, and this is the right way, this is the best way, right?
And it's a new product.
And it's a completely new product, just like technology changes, like with anything else, right? Honest Water is a new technology, it's a new product, but they have really embraced it. It has afforded us the ability to have all of our guys get involved in water treatment and offering and selling a water treatment to customers. We've been able to get 50% more customers involved in water treatment than before.
Well, so let me ask you about that. Are you saying that compared to how many you sold of the traditional systems and now how many you sold of Honest Water, there's been a 50% increase in your sales?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, so we've been selling Honest Water here for about 14 months now, so we have a good sample size of time. And that 14 months compared to the 14 months before that, we have gotten 50% more customers involved.
Oh, that's outstanding. Congrats.
So it's been really great for our bottom line as well as a company.
Awesome.
But the big things are time of installation. Normally,
what is the normal time for an Honest Water Filter? You said it could be 6 to 8 hours with a traditional one. How long has it taken your guys?
Typically it takes maybe an hour to 2 hours for the install itself, and then you're going to spend time with your customer, so maybe an hour. But whereas a normal service call with an older system would have been, a more traditional system would have been all day, 8 hours say. Honest Water, maybe it's a 3-hour process from start to finish. And a nice thing with the size, in regards to the size, is not only the installation, but it's also the fact that they can carry it on their trucks.
Oh, okay.
Technicians, so
having to call the shop for a runner to bring up,
Correct. So for the managers out there, like technicians are more apt to offer and sell what's on their truck than what they have to call in and wait for a delivery or drive and go get it and waste their time doing that, right? So the fact that they can have it on their truck, put it in right then and there, and the customer's taken care of is a really big advantage as well.
Okay. Well, I appreciate it.
Yeah,
I appreciate
no
you joining
problem,
us, man.
man.
You have an
No
awesome
problem.
day, all right?
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us here at the Honest Water Filter Company. I'm Currie. We'll talk to you next time.